Welcome to a world where sound takes a whole new dimension, where technology meets convenience, where elegance partners with performance. Welcome to the world of Apple AirPods Pro. Packaged in a minimalist white box, the AirPods Pro carry the signature Apple aesthetic: clean, sleek, and undeniably premium. This small package holds not just earbuds, but a revolution in sound technology. Now, let's delve into the features of these exceptional earbuds. Apple AirPods Pro are designed to deliver active noise cancellation for immersive sound. This cutting-edge technology continuously adapts to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear tips, effectively blocking out the world so you can focus on what you're listening to. But the magic doesn't stop there. A notable feature of the AirPods Pro is the transparency mode. This feature allows you to simultaneously listen to music while still hearing the environment around you. Whether you're waiting for an announcement at the airport or simply want to stay aware of your surroundings, transparency mode makes it possible. The adaptive EQ, another innovative feature, automatically tailors music to the shape of your ear for a rich, consistent listening experience. You can now enjoy your favorite tunes personalized to your unique ear structure. Not to forget, these AirPods Pro come with customizable fit options. The 3 sizes of soft, flexible silicone ear tips that come with the box ensure a comfortable fit for everyone. And with the ear tip fit test, you can find the perfect fit that creates an exceptional seal for noise cancellation. The Apple AirPods Pro are also sweat and water resistant, making them perfect companions for your workouts or sudden downpours. And what about connectivity? The AirPods Pro connect effortlessly to all your Apple devices, providing seamless transitions between each one. And with audio sharing, you can share a song, podcast, or other audio stream between 2 sets of AirPods. Battery life? You bet it's impressive. With multiple charges in the case, the AirPods Pro can deliver over 24 hours of listening time or over 18 hours of talk time. Now, as we wrap up this review, it's clear that the Apple AirPods Pro are more than just wireless earbuds. They are a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and quality. They are a perfect blend of advanced technology, elegant design, and unparalleled user experience. So whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the finer things, the Apple AirPods Pro are a worthy investment. They're not just earbuds, they're a statement, they're a lifestyle, they're the future of sound today. This has been a review of the Apple AirPods Pro, where technology does not just meet expectations, but consistently exceeds them. Experience it to believe it.